Have you ever went to the mailbox and received a letter that your data has been breached or a company had a breach and it was your personal information that was exposed? Or you were having a cup of coffee and breaking news that the company had a breach, household name, and we were trusting them to protect our data, and you're concerned. Well, in this video, I'm going to make the case 5 reasons on how you can potentially be the hero in this story, and it can lead to a successful career in cybersecurity. Let's get into it. The case for being a cybersecurity professional. I sound like I'm running for president or something, trying to make a case for it. But hey, I'm gonna give it a go. Let's do it. So the first one up is enhanced job security. I didn't say it was full job security. Clearly, I can't spell. Enhanced job security is one. And with that, and just some context around that, I took some notes here to share with the audience. Uh, Naturally, as you know, with cybersecurity, or maybe you may not know, there's a growing demand. There will be 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally by 2025. Wow. I just wanted to put that in there. That is talk about in high demand. That's huge. So that's something to consider. I would say this could be a recession proof. This industry could be have some recession proof aspects to it. When it comes to economic downturns, companies are still going to need to protect their data, and there's a strong possibility they're not going to skimp out on the security side of things for them. And also, and the other thing I'll bring up is every industry needs them. Every industry needs you if you become that. Healthcare, healthcare, finance, education, government, um, all those. Pick one. Pick an industry. Okay. So if you're in marketing or you're in another area and you don't feel comfortable, hey, this could be an interesting pivot. Of course, you need to be strategic about your pivot, but you get my point. Two, the case for becoming a cybersecurity professional. Here's the second reason: lucrative, lucrative salary potential. And when I say lucrative, that's kind of vague. So what does that mean? Six figure potential. You got to keep in mind the average household income is $70,000, and that's not necessarily just two people. Uh, and the way the numbers are when you dig into the details of things, and so you know, it's really important for us to get to have six-figure potential with what we're exploring. At least that's what I like to share with people. Everyone, other people may have a different opinion. That's okay. But that when I'm talking with people, that's what I like to focus on. And so if that's something that's interesting to you, then keep listening. So even if you started off, get this. Starting Somebody's texting me, happy belated birthday. Starting 70K on the entry level side. Entry level. We got to start somewhere and it goes up and it's up from there. The great part is there's opportunity for rapid growth with being such high demand. So mid career person, you can get to that 100K. And then the top positions, if you are serious about your craft and you really lean into cybersecurity and you become an asset to companies and help protect their data and their assets, their data assets, if you will, you can, on the high side, you can go, 200K plus. So that's what I like to focus on. So if that resonates, that's great. The case, reason three, the case I'm going to make for exploring a cybersecurity or becoming a cybersecurity professional is number three: continuous learning and growth. So the field is going to be so the one thing, being in the tech industry, the one thing I always enjoy, there's always user groups, there's always ways to get better, there's always things to learn. Cyber threats are going to change, which means you're always learning new skills and technology. So if you're not a person that is always reading, always looking to stay abreast with what's going on in your industry, this might not be for you. But if you are and this excites you, then this could be great for you. There is the other part is there's a diverse there's diverse specializations. That's a fancy word there. So you have like ethical hacking to security architecture to forensics to compliance. There's a niche for every interest. So digging into those different specializations, you may find a niche where you carve that out and you become known for that, and companies and people reach out to you on your thought leadership on that particular niche. The other thing is there's clear career progression. So there's clear career progression there. So with defined career paths and numerous certifications available, your growth potential is crystal clear there. So we'll move on to the next one. I'm not making this video very long. I'm on the road here, but I wanted to share this with you, even despite me traveling. So reason number four to become a cybersecurity professional: the thrill of the hunt. So if you are a person that enjoy puzzles, you enjoy solving problems and protecting the systems, probably got to keep your head on the swivel because cyber attacks aren't announced. And so it's probably a never a dull day. You're probably always having to be creative. But the things I listed here is real life puzzle solving. Every day presents new problems, to solve, and systems to protect. I mean, you're really making a difference for a company. Ethical hacking, ethical hacking, as as a, for example, a penetration tester, you you get paid to legally to legally hack legally hack systems. That sounds pretty cool. And find vulnerabilities. Yeah, so let's all right. So let's keep going. Hopefully, you can see that. We're just gonna keep going. We're not gonna waste time with that. Constant battles. The other thing here in my notes that I made here is constant battle of wit. You're It's almost like chess. You're having to be one step ahead. I don't know why this got so small. Let's see if we can make it a little bit bigger for us. There we go. There we go. And some of it is off the screen. So how do I shift that over? I'll focus out. There we go. Just bring some of it over. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. All right. So I'll fix that on the next video. All right. So that's that. 5, last but not least, you make a real difference. You make a real difference. And the notes that I have here for that is you're protecting. Think about this. When I was jotting down some notes, doing a little bit of research, and when I came across this, I was like, you know what? That is making a difference. And so you are protecting vulnerable populations. For example, so if you're working for a company and so they have the data, let's just say they have my data, they have your data, or just millions of people data, you are protecting. Yes, you're protecting the company, but you're also protecting the data of the customers that the client that your company serves in whatever way that may be. And so you're protecting identity theft, financial fraud, and the exploitation of sensitive information, social security numbers, bank statements, bank information, um, just things that are personal. And in the wrong hands, it can not be a good thing. Safeguard critical infrastructure. Safeguard critical infrastructure from power grids to water supply. You could be. These are just examples. I'll leave it there. You are basically a digital guardian. When I saw that, I was like, yeah, I have to share that with the audience. In a world where our lives are increasingly online, you're basically the hero. You're the hero, the shield, the heck. It said digital guardian. I'm gonna go like digital avenger. I'm joking there, but seriously, you're making a difference, and so that's huge. That's extremely valuable, and they pay you well. If you are interested in cybersecurity, check out in the description. Check out Level Careers. They have free a free course that will be an intro course into the ins and outs of cybersecurity. Yes, there's a pay one, and you can use the link below. You can put in Ken in a QR code in a coupon code to save some money there. If it resonates, take it. Great folks there. I know the CEO there. Really, really great folks. They practice what they preach. It's real teachers over there. And so I endorse them 100%. So check out Level Careers if that's something that you're interested in getting into. But if you enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.